Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will look at two compact offline buck converter circuits based on the STMicroelectronics VIPer12A and VIPer22A. The first circuit produces 12 volts, while the second produces 16 volts. Both circuits can operate from a wide input range of 90 to 264 volts AC. These are non-isolated power supplies, so the output is directly connected to the mains side. Therefore, the entire circuit must be treated as dangerous and must be properly enclosed and insulated. Now let's see how the circuit works. The AC mains enters through connector J1 and first passes through the input protection and filtering components. D1 rectifies the AC, while C1 and C2, together with the 470 microhenry inductor L0, provide high-voltage DC filtering. At 230 volts AC, the rectified DC voltage can reach approximately 325 volts. This high-voltage DC is applied to the drain of the VIPer22A. The VIPer22A contains both a high-voltage MOSFET and its PWM control circuitry. The internal MOSFET rapidly switches the high-voltage DC. The switching energy is transferred through the 1 mH output inductor L1. When the MOSFET switches off, D5 provides the freewheeling path for the current flowing through L1. C6 then smooths the resulting pulsating voltage into DC. The feedback network controls the switching operation and maintains the required output voltage. In the 12-volt circuit, the feedback Zener DZ is 12 volts, while the output protection Zener DZ1 is 16 volts. For the 16-volt version, DZ is changed to 16 volts and DZ1 is changed to 20 volts. The 16-volt circuit also uses a different auxiliary supply arrangement. For the lower power versions, the VIPer22A can be replaced with the VIPer12A. C2 is then changed from 10 microfarads to 4.7 microfarads. The 12-volt version can provide approximately 200 milliamps with the VIPer12A. The 16-volt version can also provide approximately 200 milliamps. With the VIPer22A, the reference design is rated at approximately 350 milliamps for both the 12-volt and 16-volt versions. So, in simple terms, both circuits work as mains AC to 12V, 16V buck converters. The most important point is that these circuits are non-isolated. There is no transformer separating the output from the mains. Therefore, the output must never be considered safe or touchable simply because it is 12 or 16 volts. So that's it friends. If you like this video then please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and if you have any doubts, please comment below. Thank you for watching.